Hi, I'm Joey, and welcome to J5 Create, bringing you tomorrow's technology today. Today we're going to go over the JCD543, the JCD543P with the power supply added, as well as the JUP2290, which you can add to the JCD543 in order to charge your laptop and other devices. Let's get started. So let's take a look at the JCD543 and all of the ports that it has available on it. So, as you can see, it has a power in port for your Type-C power adapter, a gigabit Ethernet connection, has SD and micro SD card connections, as well as a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, 3 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, HDMI or DisplayPort. Either of these will be using DisplayPort alternate mode on your computer. It's very important that you know that you can't use both at the same time. You will be using one or the other, as DisplayPort alternate mode only uses one monitor. However, you can also add another HDMI as well as VGA, giving you a total of 3 monitors, and we have an auxiliary port for your microphone and your speakers. So this is how to install the drivers for it. We are going to click on the Downloads and Drivers section of our website, and then we are going to use this helpful search bar here to type in JCD543. It even rhymes, kind of. And we're going to click on the Mac driver, which will go into our Downloads folder. So once I minimize this, we'll see it in our dock under our Downloads. You can click on that. It'll open the disk image file, and we will double click on the installer package. Click continue. We're going to read all of this like good responsible technicians, and then we're going to click continue. Then we are going to click install, continue installation. Then we're going to put in our password, and it will complete the installation process. Once this is done, we will restart the machine, plug the device in, and we should be ready to go. Here we have the JCD543. As you can see, it has a quality aluminum casing for it to house the host cable, which is Type-C. We will route this through the hole here, and we will close the lid, allowing this to be ready to dock. An important thing to note about this product is that it uses DisplayPort alternate mode, which will give you either this HDMI here or this DisplayPort. Now, due to the nature of DisplayPort alt mode, you can only use one of these at a time, but since we have the HDMI and VGA here, you can use a setup of HDMI, HDMI VGA, or DisplayPort, HDMI, and VGA. And with everything plugged in, including power, you may run into any sort of heat issues with other electronics. So what we've done is we've added these little vents to the back here in order for heat to dissipate across it, and down under it where it will be harmlessly sent along the sides here, and that won't cause any problems with your electronics. So now you can see we have one of our MacBooks set up on top of the JCD543. The Thunderbolt ports are on this side, so you can either go through the beveled edge over here if your Thunderbolt ports are over on this side, or over here if they're on this side. So what I'm going to do now is plug it into the Thunderbolt port. We've downloaded and installed the drivers, and on top of that we have everything connected into the back, including power. So once we see that arrangements tab, that's a good sign. We're going to see these monitors come on one after the other. And there we go. So this is how you would use it. You can also plug a mouse and keyboard into the back of this, close the lid, and then you can use what Mac calls clamshell mode. Or you can go into your Windows power options, change what closing the lid does, change all of those to nothing. You can close this, and the mouse and the keyboard will work through the computer and keep all 3 screens active. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you stay tuned to the channel for other great products such as these, and take care.